Hi there, Scott Melgren up here at SkipperBud's in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here is one of our Sylvan L3 Party Fishes. This is a 2024 model. It's one of Sylvan's greatest models. It's a great fishing model, but also a great cruising model. So it kind of gives you the best of both worlds. This one is the caribou brown, the black stripe. It's also got the actually, this one is carbon. I'm sorry, not caribou brown. It is carbon with the tan interior. Nice pop-up change room. You have a removable changing table here. You can cup holders throughout with USB ports. Nice, beautiful helm with storage. You got the other side here. You can see it. This particular boat's equipped with a Humminbird Helix 5. Does have a power bimini, JL audio stereo. It is rated for 12. Nice comfy couch. Storage underneath there. There's also storage underneath here. And of course you got your fishing center. What's nice is this has 2 full captain's chairs. So whether you're fishing or just cruising, super comfortable. Got your steps out the back here, of course, with the extended rear deck and stainless steel ladder. This particular boat is a pontoon equipped with a 115. You have the built-in ski tow bar. You got some rod holders, some stand-up rod holders. Beautiful deep live well here, so plenty of room for all your catch. Here's a little chuck tray. Throw tackle you're not using while you're in the boat. There's rod storage here, so it's tubed for up to 4 rods. Nice black stainless rail or black rail around the boat. Beautiful layout. So if you're doing a little fishing, a little cruising, you do the best of both worlds. And power bimini. Lots of cup holders all the way throughout. So you have it. If you have any questions on this boat or any further interest on this boat or any other boat on any of our posts on our website, please give us a call. We are happy to assist at any time.